Okay, I have turned on the tank, and I'm going to turn on the remote control now. You can see the flashing light there. So once the power turns on, light should be blinking quicker, I think. Yeah, all right. So let's turn on the tank by pressing this. So the smoke sound was on right away, but I haven't put the oil in, so I turned it off. But you can hear that when the smoke sound is on. Let's turn it off, okay? So it won't burn the system. There we go. Let's move around. Nice thing about Heng Long is when you're driving, you just have to use one button. So forward, turn, racing the cannon. Okay, and then you hear the click when it stops. Lower the cannon. Okay, turning the turret. Okay, so it can't turn 360 because you hear the click. Turn back. Gun, and then cannon shoots. So to shoot the cannon, you press these two buttons on top here. Machine gun, just the left one. Okay, engine sound. Exactly like the other plastic model I have, the Stuck 3. Okay, to change the sound of the engine, press these two buttons here. And then the tank turns off. And when you turn it back on, the sound will change. Okay, then turn the volume. Press V down, and then the left joystick up or down. So up is louder. Let's change the machine gun sound. Oh, I think it's this one. There we go. So you press this one down, and then press the upper left hand button. Turn off, on and off. Okay, one complaint about the physical color of the tank is it's kind of ugly greenish. That will require you to repaint. And then the other complaint is the sound of the engine does not sound real at all. Sounds like modern tanks or trucks actually. So, and then you can only have two options for engine sound. But the control is very easy, just like every other Heng Long control and every other Heng Long tanks. So it's a great tank for a beginner. And the other nice thing about these plastic model is that they're cheap, and so you can buy them and you can do a lot of upgrading for sure. Change the whole board inside. Alright, hope you enjoy this video, and overall though I really like the tank, and please subscribe and I will show you more of my toys.